I'll let him know that's what we're going to do.
What's your reaction to the overturning of race-based admissions on college campuses today?
I'm pissed off. So I'm half Bangladeshi, right? I'm half South Asian. I'm half white. I'm half British. I lived in South Korea as well. I do feel like, I'm just gonna say it, I think Asians are victimizing themselves right now because of, we've all heard of model minority kind of mindset. I think that a lot of Asians are saying, oh, well, why can't my kid get into Harvard? Why can't my kid, oh, they're discriminating against us.
Okay, we will not let division win. Asian American young people support affirmative action overwhelmingly. I'm an Asian American student at Harvard College. I'm a beneficiary of affirmative action. My generation will not let division win. We will let unity win because this is about preserving our multiracial democracy. This is about showing that America is united, that our generation is united in supporting race-conscious affirmative action. We know for decades that the Supreme Court has held race-conscious affirmative action as a cornerstone.
What we know as Asian Americans is that there is a new racism in America today, and that racism is against Asian Americans. These young kids are the beneficiaries of immigrant parents who arrived in the United States for the American dream and equal opportunity. What the Supreme Court has done today is it has upheld equality under the law. That is beautiful. That is a victory for all Americans, and their children and their grandchildren will benefit from the victory of our amazing, amazing, brave parents. Whoa! Yes! Yes! We cheer! Yes! 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 Good job! Good job! This is the effort of the establishment of special interest groups trying to silence Asian Americans as we fight for equal rights. We have all come from nations in which we have overcome oppression, racism, and systemic discrimination. This right here is the image of what we face in institutions across America. They're drowning us out. The sign says racism, but they don't care about the racism against Asian Americans. It talks about don't tread on me, but it doesn't mean Asian Americans. We don't matter in so many of these civil rights struggles. They try to drown us out.
So do you think that colleges should be putting more emphasis on merit and academic success in high school as opposed to race and ethnicity?
Our message is really simple. Save merit. We must protect the American dream. And college campuses, K-12 education, cannot use racism to correct old racism. We have to move forward with equality. And the Supreme Court justices were very clear today. They said very clearly, the best way to defeat discrimination is to end discrimination. And we are doing it today. And unfortunately, we have those that want to silence us, but we're not going to be silenced. These benefit from Black people's struggle. Parents are the success story of America. These parents are the American dream.
Great, thanks so much. Would you like to make a statement?
These Asian people benefit from the struggle of Black people.
How so?
How so? How so? How so? What has white people ever given to any group in this country? country without black people being in the forefront fighting for it.
Stand up, fight back! What do we do? Stand up, fight back! When black lives are under attack, what do we do? Stand up, fight back! USA! USA!